Hey guys, so there's this platform I jumped on last year, and I've really not been consistent about it. So this platform actually pays me money to complete simple tasks. Like you can see right here, this is my PayPal account. I got paid for doing some little tasks on a platform. So as you can see right here, this is December 22 payment from remotasks. So I got 0.27 cents, and here on the 14th I got payment from remotasks, which is 0.19 cents USD. So I've really not been able to focus more on this platform, but I just believe I'll share it to you guys. This is a really cool way. Anybody out there as a young person, probably a student, or you just simply need another stream of income for yourself. So I've really been doing this stuff since last year, though I've not been really consistent about it. So I simply share this platform with a friend of mine, which I believe he can always have time to do this thing. And this guy has really made close to like $250 in just a month for himself. So I've not really been consistent about this thing because I have a lot of other stuff I'm doing, but I believe you guys can actually try this thing yourself, and you make some cool money for yourself by just doing some little tasks. So coming here to my PayPal account here, because I simply create a new PayPal account for this, and as you can see right here, I have an email from remotasks, from PayPal, that says you have been paid by remotasks. So this is not a kind of scam or something to you. So I'm going to refresh this page so that you guys can see that this is not a scam. This is something you can simply try on your own, and you can simply make a lot of money for yourself. So this is from my PayPal account. So I got to pay this money. As you can see, it's just 0.2 cents. 0.27 cents. Like this is a very low amount of money, but this is simply like 5 tasks which I made on this platform. I simply did 5 tasks, and if you can imagine me doing a whole lot of tasks, that means I'm going to make a whole lot of money for myself. But I simply do just 5 tasks, and I'm being paid 0.27 cents dollar a year. And as you can see, if I come back here to my accounts, another one here which says you've been paid by remotasks. Here it says 0.19 USD. This is to show you, and this actually came in 14 December 2021. So I've really not done anything since this year. Like I've really been stuck with a lot of things. So I believe I should just share this thing with you guys. If you're out there, you're a student and you need another stream of income for yourself, something you can always do just on your mobile phone that can really be bringing some cool money for yourself. So I believe if I share this thing with you, you can really make some cool money from it. So coming over to my screen right here, this platform is called remotasks. So remotasks, as you can see right here, it says earn in the US dollar doing online tax from home. So this is something you can simply try on your mobile phone. As you can see right here, it says join our community of 240,000 taxer. So this really means a lot of people are on this platform, and trust me, a lot of people are actually making cool money from this platform. So I can testify to this because I've really been paid through my PayPal account. So this is to tell you that this is simply genuine. So if you have some little time scheduled for yourself, you can spare some hours on your own to do some of this stuff, and you are really going to be paid for doing some tasks on this platform. So as you can see right here, if you scroll down here, you can simply try all of this on the mobile phone as well. So it doesn't have to be on your laptop. You can try this on your mobile phone. It works very perfectly on your mobile phone. But if you have a laptop, I would always advise you use your laptop, because this is really going to be more responsive. Like if you're going to see more information on your laptop than on your mobile phone. So this is how it really works. You do tasks, you get paid. It is that simple. So from labeling image to transcribing audio, earn money, complete simple tasks. So the simple tasks are being asked on this platform. Like is a task that even a layman can even answer. So why are they doing this thing? Why are they paying you? So this platform, they're actually training some AIs to do some work. So AI is artificial intelligence. So they're actually training some AI, and they need human being knowledge as well to really train these AI to work perfectly. So they are using your knowledge of how things is going to work if you are in that shoes, to train this AI to make things more easier, like, and they are trying to prepare an advanced technology that can make the world easier. So they need human to even get some information from human. So when you complete some tasks, they ask you some few questions and you simply do all of this and you get paid for it. So as you can see, learn easily, learn how to do the tasks with our quick online course. That means you're going to take a quick course before you start completing any task and you get paid for it. So when you learn finish, then you complete the task, work on tasks from projects you've unlocked, then get paid in USD weekly. So you get paid for your fast via PayPal or ERTM and based on your quality and numbers of tasks completed. So they are going to pay you. So if you simply complete just 5 tasks, you're going to be paid for that 5 tasks. If you do 200 tasks, you do 500 tasks, like the friend of mine which I refer this thing actually took his time to do a whole lot of tasks, and this guy is really making some cool money for himself, which I believe you too, if you create more time for it, you can simply make a whole lot of money for yourself. I really want to make money this year, and I'm very sure I'm still going to be coming back to this platform to do some tasks for myself to get the alerts keep coming. So what you simply want to do right now is to go over to the link which I'm going to be dropping below this video. So I'm going to sign in, I'm going to sign up my account right now. I already have an account with these people, so for the course of this training I'm going to be signing up with a new account and show you guys how you can even set up an account for yourself and start making this cool money for yourself. So right now I just sign in my account, and as you can see right here, I only have $0.00 in my account, so I've not really done anything right here. So I have an account which I've done before. This is when they pay me this amount of money. As you can see right here, it says payment December. So for the course of this training, I actually create a new account for you guys to see. So what I'm simply going to do right now is to go over to this place which says start taxing. So because of this, I've actually skipped this video because I actually did some training, which is training you too can always do on your own. So I really want to show you how to start the tax. So when you complete the training, you're going to be taken to this particular page which says welcome back here. So this is going to be your own name, and you have this button which says start taxing. So this means when you first sign up on this platform, you're going to ask to start your own course. Like you're going to have some training here, just like you can see right here, this is training. So on this training, this is where you're going to be shown how to do the things you need to do. You're going to train you on how to use the platform very well so that you can start doing some tasks for yourself, so you don't get stuck on the platform. So right now I'm going to go ahead and start taxing. So this is very simple. Okay, this is the training which I'm talking about. So this is the training. So I've already done all of this, so this is more like me going back to start all over again. So I'm going to be dropping the link below this video how you guys can actually get started with this and start making this cool money for yourself. So let me just log in my account again and show you guys how to start the taxing. So right now I'm going to click on this start taxing, and when I click on it, I'm going to be shown some things to actually do. So this is my first question. So this particular one really says Flamingo product taxonomy. So what I'm simply want to do, what they actually want to do is that I'm going to be looking for some common errors. So I'm going to click on stats and follow some simple. So these are the things you really need to go ahead and find what you are even asked to do exactly. So when we don't find a specific category for a product, we must, like, you just really need to take your time and go through the question which they ask in this particular question. So what I'm simply going to do is to click on continue, because I really understand this particular task. So if you really go on your own, you're going to understand it. So now this is the question 1. As you can see right here, it says similar product name. So these are keys with product that seems to fit different category. For example, this is a jacket. You will notice that you can find jackets in more than one category. It's important to look for the hints in the tax interface, the product page, and also to understand the context. So actually this is what they actually want to do. They actually want you to confirm if this particular information on this particular product. So they will drop a link here. So this link is what we are going to open. When you open this link, it's going to take you to where they have these products. So they have these products, and they actually want you to confirm if this category is really correct about this thing. So right here we have, is this really a jacket, Aspen jacket? This Aspen jacket is where you see, so some question is being asked. So what they actually want you to achieve right here is that these jackets, you notice you can find jackets in more than one. It is important to look for the hints in the tags, the product, and also so this is the question they ask, which is the right taxonomy. So this taxonomy really means the category, like which of this thing is really the best category for this particular jacket. So we have different kind of options here. This is option A, B, C, and D. So which of this is actually the right category for this Aspen jacket exactly? So this is the Aspen jacket. So they want to find out which of this is the right category, which is the right taxonomy for this particular product. So right now what you're simply going to do right here is that you're asking, is it A, B, or C? So we have clothing and accessory, men clothing, active wear jacket. Another one here is ask clothing, accessory, women clothing, active wear jacket. So another one is here, another one is here. So what you simply want to do is to find the right taxonomy for this particular product. So coming over here, you are going to see Aspen jacket is utility and gym, so the rugged, the same, blah blah blah, perfectly verse code. So here it is not mentioned, maybe it is for women or it is for a guy. So like this is really convincing right here. So and as well we have here which is men, and here we have women, and here we have outdoor, and we have women here. So they're actually asking you to choose the best category for this particular product. So what you simply want to do right now is to go ahead and just try your luck. So now let's pick men clothing, activewear and jacket and see if we are correct. So check answer if you are correct. So this is telling me that not quite you can try it. So this is the best thing about this thing, you can always try it even if you miss this and you are still going to be correct. So I'm going to try this and check the answer. So this is not correct as well. So I'm going to try another one right here after this thing has counts. So this is what I'm going to try now, clothing, accessory, and check answer. So this is telling that this is correct. This jacket is not for men, it is not for outdoor recreation, it is not for women active, it is not a women active wear. So this the right taxonomy for this product is clothing and accessory, women clothing, coat and jacket. So this is showing that this is the correct answer for this particular progress for this question. So what you simply need to do is to click on continue and you have successfully complete this particular task. So if you finish this particular task which they are going to ask you, see this thing is actually loading. So we might have like 5 to 10 tasks in this particular question, in this particular task which they are asking. Yeah, so if you finish this, you are going to be paid for this particular question which you just answered. And when I finish some of these things, that is when they just paid me this amount which you see in my account. So you can imagine you doing a whole lot. So you can never be exhausted of question of tax, I mean, in this platform. So you have a lot to answer, and the more you are doing all of this, the more you are making some cool money for yourself. So you want to ask, let's say after I've done all of this, so how exactly do I get paid exactly? So you are going to pay into your PayPal account or your TM or what is ATM. So either of it. So I made a video recently on how to create a PayPal account. So I'm going to be dropping the link below this video. So go ahead and check how to do that right now. So I'm going to log in back to my account right now and show you how I withdraw my money. So I have a PayPal account which has been connected to this account. So what I'm going to do right now is to just click on this and come to my balance here. So my balance is simply still 0 because I've never completed any tax here. So what I'm going to do, so come to my account right here. So what I'm going to do, come to my payments and simply put my payment email here. So when I put all the required information, I put my email here and click on submit. So this money will be directly sent to my account every Friday, just like you can see right here that says you've been paid weekly. So you don't send the money to your account immediately. You didn't send it to your account immediately. It's going to reflect in your account, your dashboard that you make social amount, but you don't get it inside your account until Friday every week. So if you make $200, they're going to send that to your account every Friday. So this is a really cool way. You can simply try all of this, and I can tell you for free that this is really genuine, and anybody can simply try this and start making some cool money for themselves. So if you're a student and you have some spare time to do for yourself, like if you can spare like 3 hours of your time to do this thing, I can bet with you that you're simply going to make, you can make close to $30 in a day or 50. It depends on how consistent you are doing all of this on this platform, and this is a very cool way anybody can actually make money for themselves. So I'm going to be dropping the link below this video, the link which you're going to be making this money, start taxing and start making money for yourself. And as well, if you can, as you can see right here, it says earn $10. So what does this mean exactly? So you can simply make $10 by you referring a friend to this platform. So if your friend actually earn $20, so let's say you get started with this platform and you refer your friend, and your friend actually do the same thing on this platform. So your friend do start doing some tax on this platform, and your friend earn up to $20, so you are going to earn $10 from that particular friend you refer. Your friend is going to make your friend is going to get a $10% as well, and as well when that friend of yours reach $20, so you have additional $10 to yourself. So this is another cool way you can actually make money. So what you simply want to do is to copy this particular link, and when you copy this link, this is what you are going to send to your friend. So when your friend follow that link and sign in through your link, you to yourself you earn $10. So your friend earn $10 and you to earn $10 as well. So this is really cool way anybody can actually start and use this to make some cool money for themselves. So this is really genuine. I got this into my PayPal account, and I can tell you for free that this is really genuine. If you can really spare some time and do all of this, you're going to make some cool money for yourself on this platform. So guys, this is all I have for you today. So I have some cool video on my channel as well where you can actually make some cool money for yourself. In my previous video I did mention about how to double your income doing some side hustles, how to start mini importation, how to make 200,000 naira monthly on WhatsApp, and as well how to make 1,000 naira daily in Nigeria. This is not you doing international job. This is a simple thing. You can simply make close to 1,000 or 5,000 naira daily on your mobile phone alone without doing much thing. I mean basic things you usually do before, and you start using this to make some cool money for yourself online. So guys, this is all I have for you today. Please, if this is your first time on this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I drop another amazing video just like this. Like and share this video so as to reach out to more people out there who will be interested in watching this video as well. So if you have any question regards this video, please let me know in the comment section below, and as well go ahead and click learn how to make money online in the comment section. I'm going to be dropping more video on how you can simply make a whole lot of money for yourself online. So guys, thank you for joining me today. Thank you guys.